to contribute to the Hill Cap project. I will return to the Hill Cap project shortly.
So,
2024 elections, Your Majesty, and Chairman, Nananom, invited guests. This year, 2024, is an election year.
so,
Indulge me to use this platform to address some election issues. Very soon, the political campaign will intensify and election fever and tension will rise.
so,
We need to remind ourselves that no matter our interests and political persuasion, we are one people with a common destiny.
so,
It is our responsibility to preserve it. It is important for all of us to work towards fair, peaceful elections.
so,
In relation to forthcoming elections, a number of political campaign themes have emerged. The MPPs breaking the eight, NDCs holding the Ghana we want,
so,
Honorable Alan Martin's Alliance for Revolutionary Change, and Nana Kwame Akun Cheddar, New Force Agenda,
so,
but none is bigger than Ghana.
so,
None of this is bigger than Ghana.
pa,
We need to kill, vote, and have our results declared. As chiefs and community leaders, we have a responsibility to educate our people, especially the youth, not to allow themselves for any politician or political grouping to exploit their vulnerabilities to engage in violence or any vice which will undermine the individual and community safety or the integrity of elections.
so,
Donation towards Hill Cap project. As indicated earlier,
so,
many of us from Sepi and its environment, CAF has been a major referral hospital.
so,
Our elders say, "Wo furu dua pa and a piano to
Yeah.
work." A worthy cause elicits support. So, on my own behalf and on behalf of the Sebiamianso Traditional Council, the chiefs and people of my traditional area, we make a modest donation of 5,000 United States dollars towards the CAF project.
so, pa, pia, more pia for,
Conclusion, on behalf of my people, on behalf of all the ethnic groups present, I say happy anniversary to Otumfuo. May the Lord and our ancestors shower love, wisdom, and warmth upon you on the occasion of your silver anniversary. Happy anniversary to an amazing chief whose achievements for the benefit of Ashanti Kingdom and Ghana are highly appreciated.
so,
My Royal Majesty, the board of GMPC has requested me to inform you that on the 12th or before the 12th, the whole board, including the chairman, will also come to pay their homage to you.
so,
Long live Otumfuo, long live Asanteman, long live Ghana. Thank you for your attention.
pia, pia,
Monikasa, Monikasa.
Moni Kasa, Moni Bidre. Well spoken.
Excuse me. Yes, I have a small donation to make. What are the rounds? Me, you know, Otumfuo chairman.
Zo.
And then you be see I so cry young no anu bi. And then you go there. A president so ever.
Pa.
Adaroma.
Pa.
Maybe. Snap. One cat.
Pa.
Wine. One carton.
Pa.
Enna. Sabi. Enyan so biansa.
Oh.
Besan to kuta champagne. Nti kuta champagne adaka. Wine adaka. Snacks adaka.
Pa.
Sabi enyan this onya to so there.
Pa.
Nti ye wa to so there kakra. I am check the atoso. I pay.
Pa.
I hear me. Mo bre. Sabri kasa mo kasa.
Pa.
Mo yensuo.
Pa.
Etu mo so mo de ni.
Pa.
Ahinkwa.
Pa.
Be baya. Mo so mo na mkuta yi mu.
Pa.
Nti mo so mo de.
Ah.
Na eye $5,000 ne de. Echi na mo kire me ni pa me fa check na mana.
Pa.
De be ma no. De ma sipi.
Wow.
Pia.